Hi, I'm Prince Kelly. This is my Facebook page just to show you, to refresh, to show you I did this work by myself and to show you the amount of reach. Now, click the refresh button right here. It's loading. As you can see right here, we have 1,349 people reached. The boosters, the promotion has ended, and we have engagement of likes of over 543. Even the other one that wasn't boosted got to 213 persons and 65 people liked it. Let's show you insights. And this is the insights to my post promotion. And you can see here total of 1,196 reached here plus 152. If you have a total of 1,300 plus, and I used $2.40 here and 42 cents here. That's over $3 spent on this post promotion. You can refresh it to show you again. As you can see, we have it there. That's it for edit. Thank you. Sorry, let me just add this. Let me just show you one of those comments from people. Yeah, this small post for Dtube promotion. Let me just refresh that also. That's it. Showing us comments there and the likes, and over here also, and the likes too, and the wish. Even without a boost for this post, the exact one I boosted has over 1,300 plus the one I didn't boost over 200 audience reached. That's I think that should be all. Just try this promotion. Yes, same thing here. Let me refresh it. Show you again. That's it. Now to show you my profile. Here's my profile. Here's me. I love Mike Oluwashi, aka Prince Kelly on Steamits. Thank you. Bye.